Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to my practicing session. Actually, every day I practice English, but 2 or 3 days I was so busy. For this reason, I can't speak English. I can't speak English. So today I have some times, and I want to discuss with how to make question. Actually, when we speak, you need question. You ask anything, and they reply your question. Without question, you cannot conversation. So, question is very important. So how can I start or making question? How can I how can I make question? Actually, we question. I will start using simple question. Simple question is: uh, Do you go? Do you eat? Do you think? Do you play? Do you dance? Do you believe me? Do you trust me? Don't Do you engage in this section? Do you spend a lot of money? Do you go to office regularly? Do you take coffee every day? Do you take medicine of any disease in your daily life? Do you work hard every day? So these types of question you have to speak. You have to use. So when I exercise with question, I will be free when I ask anybody. Will you need some money? Will you come in time? Will you go there? Will you wait for me? Will you give me some money as a loan? Will you give me some time for practicing? Will you try to learn English? These types of sentence is a very simple sentence making a question you can ask. So when I ask, you have to make question. Did you go? Did you come yesterday? Did you come yesterday? Did you eat? Did you eat in your house or any place? So I ask, did you waste your time? Did you reach your goal? Did you find him? Did you buy some food from market yesterday? Did you was Mr. Rahim? Did you come in office yesterday timely? So these types of sentences I need to make question every day. So every day I will try to make some question. If like my video, please subscribe my channel and like some thumble symbol. So having patient time. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.